Hey everyone, and welcome back to my room, because as you know, Malaysia just got another MCO, which means we are in lockdown once again. Not too sure if we can still go back to the office or not, but today what we have for you here is something special, everyday epic. Yes, the Galaxy S21 just got announced, the entire series of them, and if you want to check out our brief rundown on all of the products that were announced, click at the top right corner there. But if you're just here for the brand new Galaxy S21 Ultra, here's our first impressions. So, let's address the elephant in the room first, by first only looking at the box and its thickness, or should I say the thinness, and that only means one thing. There's no charger in the box, and through the briefing that we attended, though Samsung didn't actually state why they didn't include the charger. I suppose they just didn't include it because of environment issue or something like that, but that's something that we have to get back to. But in any case, I'm actually quite happy that they removed chargers, and if you do want us to get more in depth into why chargers should be removed in phones, do let us know down in the comment section below. We'll do a separate video on that, and we'll go and discuss that instead. But as of today, I just want to go through the unboxing experience of the Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. And yes, all of the S21 phones are now in 5G variants. So for this box here, you can see the design is really simple. You just got a big S and a bigger 21 at the back of the S there. Oh, so that's a pull tab here. Let's just pull it out. And then we can see the phone itself. So the color that we have here is in matte black, and we'll leave that aside for now. We'll talk about the phone later. And inside here, this time around, I think they did a bit of change since there's no charger included. There's a small tab at the top here. Pulling that out reveals the accessories box and nothing else. So inside this accessories box, we got the SIM ejector tool as usual. And let's just open it up. I think it's, oh okay, that pull tab also functions as pull tab. Two directions actually. And opening up, we only got, okay, this is a C to C cable. Yes, Samsung is only including a Type C to Type C cable inside the box for you, and also a quick start guide, which I'm obviously not gonna touch. And actually that's it, that's all is in the box. Actually, you know what, if Samsung really wants to make the phone box even thinner, they could have just loop the cables in a slightly different way, then the box can even get thinner if they want to. Okay, so enough about that. Back to the phone itself. This color that we have here is in matte black once again. It is also available in white color for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and personally I like the matte black color finish a lot this time around because the whole phone is just way too professional looking, and in my opinion it looks sexy. Yeah, I mean, that's a rare word for me to use to describe a phone, but yeah, I think I'll use it for sexy this time. And the camera bump. This is also something interesting, because when I first saw the Galaxy S21, all of it actually, they all have the exact same camera design language in terms of its camera bump. And through all the rumors and leaks and whatnot that happened for a few months, the camera bump seems to flow from the metal body all the way to the back and covering the entire camera module. My first reaction was, how is Samsung gonna service the back panel if it ever gets damaged? And to my surprise, there's actually a really small seam around the camera module here. So if the back piece ever gets broken, or any of the camera modules get broken, you can just remove that one piece alone. I mean, as in the entire back piece or just this. Not too sure how it comes apart, but you can take them apart without even touching the phone frame. So that's a nice touch. And yeah, for this time around, all of the colors for the Galaxy S21 series is in this matte black finish, and I'm really liking this design a lot. Also, as for the S Pen support, I need to tell you this right now because we have the Galaxy Note 20 5G with us. Let me find my phone. Oh, it's in my pocket. so back to the S Pen here. So as described in our Galaxy Unpacked overview video, the Galaxy S21 Ultra is the only phone within the Galaxy S21 series that supports the S Pen. And technically, if you buy the bundle for the case and the S Pen for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, you will not be getting this S Pen. You will be getting the S Pen that's really similar to the Tab S7, which has a completely different design of S Pen compared to the Note series of smartphones. But you can still use it on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, as you can see here, because the digitizer is still the same, it's just that the physical design of the pen is different. And of course, the major distinction between the Note series and the Galaxy S21 right now is the S Pen's air gesture feature. As you can see here, it doesn't support the air gesture as in what I would describe it as the Magic Wand feature. As you know, the Galaxy Note 20 has something like a Magic Wand where you press the button, do some gestures, and then the phone will respond accordingly. But that feature is not available on the Galaxy S21 Ultra. You can only use the pen to draw, write, or just navigate around. That's it. Oh yeah, the reason why Samsung is bundling the case and the S Pen together for the Galaxy S21 Ultra is because that case is specially made to also house the S Pen inside the case. That will add a bit of bulk in terms of width-wise, but it's still really, how do you say this, holdable for big hands like mine, but I'm not too sure about those with smaller hands. And also, I generally just really like the entire design of the Galaxy S21 Ultra right here, especially with the matte black finish, because this is just really beautiful in my opinion. Also, the selfie camera is really small this time around. You can see the cutout is really tiny, and all of the features are still here. I mean, I just unboxed this thing not too long ago. We are definitely going to make a full review and also its performance review. Remember, this is using the brand new Exynos 2100, and Samsung hyped that up a lot, so I'm looking forward to see how it actually performs. And as for the date of publication for that review is 22nd January at midnight GMT plus 8. So I'm not too sure what's the time for other countries, but I'll leave some of the time around here. So that's the date that we will be publishing our full review of the Galaxy S21 Ultra alongside with all of its performance review for the Exynos 2100. And I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe and ring that notification bell for that video that's coming on the 22nd of January at midnight GMT plus 8. Your time is most probably gonna be 21st of January instead. And yeah, we'll see you then.